Could this be what lies beyond our universe? What if our entire cosmos is just a single fruit hanging on a cosmic tree we can never perceive? Take a closer look at this image. Those intricate veins, don't they resemble a growing tree? And these spheres, each one sealed and isolated, like separate universes. The stars, galaxies, black holes, and dark energy we observe might just be the textures and branches lining the inner walls of this fruit. The physical constants we know, the speed of light, the arrow of time, could simply be the unique life mechanisms within its flesh. We've always asked, what's outside the universe? But maybe the question itself is flawed. You can't stand inside a fruit and imagine the whole tree. So today, let's shift our perspective. Instead of asking how big the universe is, whether it has boundaries, or if we can escape it, let's ask, if the universe really is a fruit, are we growing or rotting? Where does this tree grow? And who's watching it, waiting to pluck the ripe ones? A quick disclaimer, the visuals and ideas in this video are purely speculative, no scientific theory here, just food for thought. Now, some might wonder, is this image truly just imagination? To answer, let's look at nature's preferences. Have you noticed how almost all complex systems expand in one unavoidable shape? Branching patterns. From lightning bolts to blood vessels, plant roots to neural networks, they all start from a point, extend outward, and split. And what do these branches hold at their ends? Closed spheres, cells, bubbles, fruits, planets, even black holes. They are not random shapes but nature's favorite stable structures. Combine these patterns, and you'll see a universal template, branches as channels for information, energy, or gravity, and spheres as spaces for order. And here's the shocker, our universe fits this logic. It's expanding, wrapped in a boundary like fruit skin, with galaxies swirling inside like textures in flesh. Dark energy stretches space like gas in a ripening fruit. This isn't metaphor, it's structural reality. Energy seeks symmetry, stability, and closure. Maybe the universe exists as a fruit not by chance but because it's the most energy-efficient, self-consistent form under extreme conditions. So, if this fruit didn't appear out of nowhere, how did it form? Who planted it? In our known universe, nothing emerges from nothing. Stars, clouds, all have evolutionary chains. Every structure comes from another's transformation, aggregation, or collapse. If our cosmic fruit exists, it must have a parent. Maybe a higher dimensional tree, not a plant, but a generative system beyond time and space. It doesn't grow in our perceivable dimensions, but in a parameter space we can't describe. It doesn't sprout leaves but cosmic bubbles, each a unique combination of physics, dimensions, and energy, seeded, set in motion, and observed. Sound like scientists running experiments. Or maybe it's the other way around, our experiments are just the tree's way of trial and error inside each fruit. This tree has been hinted at in physics, Bruin zones, bubble universes, parallel worlds, all suggesting our cosmos isn't singular or eternal but one of many attempts, hanging on a branch, surviving by chance. So, what's the tree's purpose? Why grow fruit? Are we seeds or commodities? Will we mature or be discarded? We'll explore that next time, but one thing's clear, if we are consciousness inside this fruit, the Big Bang might not have been a beginning, but the moment the fruit skin expanded, a growth spurt we misread as an explosion. The real story isn't the bang but what happened inside afterward. As the fruit expanded, its flesh fermented, formed textures, and developed life mechanisms, just like our universe's time, space, gravity, and particles. What we call physical laws might just be the fruit's internal rules, like sugar levels, electrolyte flow, or pectin tension, self-sustaining, not imposed from outside. The speed of light. Maybe just the juice's flow limit. Time's arrow. The irreversible ripening process. Our physics might just be studying fermentation inside the fruit. Newton, Einstein, Bohr, Hawking, they were decoding its chemical reactions. Our science. A description of the flesh. Cosmic expansion. The skin stretching. Dark energy. Trapped gas. Black holes. The core seed we forgot to expect. This isn't analogy, it might be reality. But is our fruit alone? If not, where are the others? Our observable universe's edge, the cosmic microwave background, could be the fruit's final ripening mark before the skin tightens. And since it's still expanding, faster and faster, what's pushing it? Is the fruit emitting gas, or is the tree's gravity pulling from outside? This might explain dark energy, the fruit being dragged toward the tree's depths, toward other fruits, which raises a wilder question: are these fruits truly isolated? Could quantum entanglement or black hole evaporation be leaks through the skin, ways for universes to taste each other? We see the cosmos as an island, but it might be part of an archipelago. That tree, always growing, with us, as one tiny fruit's self-awareness. But what asterisk is asterisk the tree? We've never seen it, but fruits don't grow in voids. Our universe must hang on a larger system, one beyond our imagination. Maybe not even material in our sense, but a structural, dimensional branching mechanism. Each split spawns a universe bubble, each disturbance a fruit. Not a god, but a cosmic function, generating worlds like fractal patterns. So perhaps the tree isn't the creator, but the universe's own growth pattern. But why keep fruiting? Random splits, or is it waiting? If a fruit develops civilization, order, even consciousness, will the tree pluck it? This sounds mythical, but reality might be simpler. The universe's purpose isn't escape but maturation. We are fermenting, nearing judgment, but who judges, and how? If the universe is a fruit, what are we? The cherished seed? Catalytic enzymes? Or a virus corrupting the structure? Our tech advances, information spreads, complexity grows, but does complexity mean maturity or decay? True rightness might not be colonizing planets or harnessing energy, but the fruit's first self-awareness, like water realizing it's water before evaporating. But here's the catch: if our consciousness is the fruit's own product, can it ever comprehend the tree? Our brains aren't observers but part of the flesh. Like apple juice trying to grasp the tree's origin, our logic and models might just be internal feedback loops, not tools for truth. We ask about outside, but our questions, imagination, and models are bound by the fruit's walls. Are we mistaking our constructs for reality? We keep asking how to escape the fruit, but the real question is, asterisk, do we know we're inside one? Asterisk, maybe the cosmic fruit's task isn't conquest but awakening. This is my fruit universe hypothesis. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a bunch.